What's up, guys? If you have tight back and you're sitting in a chair all day and your hip flexors are just wrecked, I've got 3 variations for you that's going to make your hips and all that hip flexor pain that you got that's putting pressure on your back go magically away if you do them consistently. Here's what we got. Forgot the plug. If you're new around here, don't forget to plug, help me out, subscribe, like this video, comment down below which of these 3 feels best on your hip flexors. We'll start with number 1, and with all of these, spending a minute or 2 breathing is what's going to be best. I want you to get a pillow, get an ab mat, get a towel, whatever you got, so your knee is padded and you're not focused on knee pain, but you're focused on lengthening this hip flexor. I want you to try to get this front knee nearly vertical. You can take this back leg off if you want. You can squeeze the glute. That's number 1. Number 2, we can posture up. We can squeeze this glute and we can sink in a little deeper. Boy, I'm sweating. It is hot out here today. 105 outside. Who knows what it is in the garage. Take it here. We can add in some rotation. Once you've mastered those 2, you can add this rotation piece, and now you can grab onto your leg, open up that upper back, open up that hip flexor, really start to get a great pull. Quick little tutorial here. When you got tight hip flexors, it pulls your hips forward. If you can lengthen your hip flexors and have awareness, you can tuck your pelvis, which gives you a more neutral spine. Bad back, good back. Keep that position locked and loaded. Doing these stretches will help you so you're not as tight. This is the big daddy here. If you head over to a wall, this is a massive stretch, but so good for you. Try to get your knee as close as possible. Notice I got the pad down here again. At first, you might be camping out here. You might take a breath, and you might posture up here. You might take your hands up. You might add in some rotation. All variations are good variations, but just don't forget to squeeze this glute, push that hip forward. You're gonna feel a massive stretch in your quad. And if you like this stuff, you're gonna love what you see if you head over to ksquarefitness.com. We've got mobility courses, we've got movement tutorials if you want to get better at pull-ups, push-ups, kipping stuff, handstand walks, you name it. We help people move better, perform better, and unlock your performance. Subscribe, you're going to miss out on great content. If you don't, we'll see you on the next one.